In this video, I'm going to tell you about 2 hormonal conditions that we can use black seed oil for that nobody really talks about. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Shadi Tabaei. I'm a naturopathic doctor and a women's health and hormones expert. Every week, Lord willing, I do make different videos on different topics on women's health. So if you wanted to go ahead and subscribe and join this growing community, I would love to have you. If you've spent any time on social media, you probably have seen lots of people using black seed oil. It is very popular right now, and for good reason. Black seed oil has a lot of different benefits and comes from the Nigella sativa plant. It has been shown to help improve inflammation, improve the immune system, help with joint pain, help with lowering blood sugar, help with improving cancer. So there's a lot of benefits with black seed oil, but no one really talks about the benefits for women's health and hormones. And as a women's health expert, I was curious to know, does black seed oil have any role to play in women's health? And so I was surprised to find out it can help with 2 hormonal conditions. So let's talk about what those hormonal conditions are. The first hormonal condition that it has been shown to help with is cyclical mastalgia. And this is basically a medical term that refers to breast tenderness and pain prior to our menstrual periods. If you've ever had breast tenderness, you know how terrible it is. You just don't want anyone touching your breast. You don't want anything to come near your breast. And some women really suffer with extreme symptoms of breast tenderness prior to their period. There's not a lot of good available treatments for this condition other than like painkillers or birth control or topical painkillers. Those are the most common things that are given. And so I was actually surprised to see that there has been a study done that has shown that black seed oil is beneficial for breast tenderness. What they did in this study is that they took a group of women experiencing cyclical mastalgia, and they basically told them to apply the black seed oil to their breast once a day for 2 months. And what they saw after the 2 months is that the women who applied the black seed oil on a daily basis to their breasts actually saw a significant improvement in their pain scores prior to their periods. So that's a great thing that they've seen, although it's just one study, but we do see a benefit. And black seed oil has very little side effects when it's used topically, other than potentially some allergic reactions for some people. So you want to test it out on your skin first. But because it's such a low side effect profile, it's actually very easy to use it and see if it could potentially work for you if you are experiencing breast tenderness prior to your period. The next hormonal condition that it has been studied for is dysmenorrhea, which is basically painful periods. So there were 2 studies that were done on this. One of them basically asked women who experience painful periods to apply the oil to their frontal area and their scalp. And they applied it 3 days prior to their period and then 5 days into their period. And what they saw was that these women showed that they had a significant improvement in their pain scores prior to their period, which is great. In the second study, they actually told the women to take the black seed oil in the capsule form between 1 to 3 grams. And they also saw that these women who took the black seed oil every single day, between 1 gram to 3 grams, showed an improvement in their pain scores. So how does that work? I mean, why does it help? It probably comes down to its anti-inflammatory effects. When there's dysmenorrhea, when there's painful periods, there's more inflammation in general. And so if we reduce the inflammation, we can help with pain. Although there needs to be more research done on this area, I think it's promising, and it's very low side effects, so it can be used topically or orally for these benefits. Let me know in the comments below if you have used black seed oil for hormones and you've seen a benefit for it, or if you were surprised to find out that black seed oil can actually be used for your hormones. Press the like button if this video helped you out so you can reach more women just like you. I'll see you in the next video.